I really love spices, and I really love how much Western cuisine has been fully embracing their sheer power over the last couple of years. It's also been really cool seeing how many people in the community are starting to realize that you can toast these to potentially bring out some extra flavor. However, there does seem to be one notion that I see a lot, that you can take any spice, apply some heat to it, and then potentially get a lot more of an intense flavor out of it. However, the truth is a little bit more complicated than that. Behold, my spice cabinet. I really need to buy jars. I'm gonna take a bunch of these spices and then I'm going to toast them individually. Then I'm gonna try the before versus the after and consider the deltas. I should also note that this is the first time that I'm really running this as an experiment. So one, a lot of my reactions are gonna be genuine, and two, I might just completely invalidate the rest of this video. Fuck, I didn't think about that. Let's do science. I went ahead and I roasted a couple of different spices. So we've got black pepper, we've got mustard seed, we've got cumin, we've got star anise, we've got cloves, we've got cardamom, we've got fennel, we've got cinnamon, and of course we've got coriander. I'm gonna try each of these spices. First, I'm going to do the untoasted version of the spice, then I'm going to do the toasted version of the spice. I also have a mortar and pestle here so that I can grind up spices in between each session. I wanna see how that changes the flavor. And of course, if you are worried about residual flavor between those sessions, I'm going to be clearing out the mortar and pestle with white rice. Oh shit. If you're looking for a good way to clean out a mortar and pestle without using soap and water, white rice, all the way. So, let's get started. Let's start with something that I know is gonna be pretty strong, and that is cinnamon. The scent of cinnamon just immediately backhands you into the first time you went to the apple orchard. Anyway, let's actually see how this tastes. I'm gonna break off a little piece first. Wow, I always do forget how much it just immediately dries your whole mouth out. One thing that you notice immediately is just how sweet it is. Toasted kind. Woo. It's a lot less spicy and a lot more mellowed. However, so much more flavorful. If there's any spice that truly exemplifies just how powerful that is spicy, how powerful the roasting process is, it is definitely cinnamon sticks. As I went ahead trying out the spices, there were a couple that changed in a pretty similar way. Cloves and cumin both developed a stronger flavor, and some spices like black pepper completely evolved into something new and different. It's still spicy, don't get me wrong, but it's a very different spice than it was before. It's a lot more mellowed, it's a lot more meaty. However, not all the spices were that lucky. It's not unpleasant, it's just a lot that was driving this spice before just isn't there anymore. All of that freshness is completely gone. This just tastes crunchy. So what's going on? Why are some spices getting more flavorful while other spices are becoming less flavorful? And more importantly, what does the roasting process even do? Everyone just tells me, oh, well, you see, it brings out the flavor. But frankly, that's not helpful. Well, there's two main things that happen. First, new flavors are created in a process known as the Maillard reaction, the same thing that happens while searing a steak, by the way. And this gives way to a whole host of new flavor compounds, most notably pyrazines, the stuff that's responsible for the toasty, nutty flavor that you come to expect. And second, two types of volatile aromatic compounds that are already present in the spices are brought up to the surface: terpenes and phenols. Phenols are usually a lot more warm, pungent, and strong tasting, and they're a bit more stable, so they actually have a chance to come up to the surface and develop a stronger, more complex aroma. Terpenes, on the other hand, contribute more cool, spicy, and citrusy flavors, and unlike phenols, they are a lot more volatile, meaning the longer you expose them to heat, the more of that flavor you're gonna lose. This explains why spices like cardamom and fennel lost so much of their flavor. Their majority aromatic compounds were terpenoids and therefore much more volatile to heat. But what does this all mean? Are all spices just bound to lose their flavor? Is there no way to get something good without losing something special? Am I destined to slowly succumb to entropy and over time, pressure and routine distraction, gradually and slowly and carefully lose everything that I once liked about myself? Nah. There's ways to have the advantages of both toasted and untoasted spices at once. Therapy, oil. All those aromatic compounds from earlier, most of them are fat soluble. So in recipes where you'd be using fat anyway to perhaps brown meat or fry onions, start by blooming your spices in the oil instead of toasting them. The same great chemical changes that occur during toasting will still happen, and additionally, the more volatile compounds that would normally fly off into the air will instead diffuse into the surrounding oil. Ultimately, while I'd love to be able to tell you when you should be toasting spices and when you shouldn't be, I'm not a professional cook. I'm a schmuck on the internet who really craves your attention and validation. Take the experiment that I ran earlier and do it for yourself. Get a good idea of what flavors to expect and when, and use that information to kick ass in the kitchen. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some business to attend to. Did you know that there's no way to take 50 minutes of footage of a guy eating spices and cut it so that it's engaging? I sure do. That's why today's video is brought to you by Ripple Delete.